Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can lock individual apps on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. It's a very easy process. For that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and long press on that particular app and tap on require face ID. Now tap on require face ID, it will simply scan your face ID, and now every single time you have to open the app, it will ask you to scan your face ID, otherwise it will not open. So let me do it, and now the app has been open. Right, that's what you can do, and you can do that to any other app as well. You can go ahead, keep on long pressing on them, tap on require face ID again. There we go, another app has been locked. You can do that to as many apps that you want on your particular home screen. You can go ahead individually long press on them and tap on require face ID and then scan it, and there you go, your app will be locked, and every single time you need to open it will require face ID and it will open up like that. That's how we can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.